friends, how are you? I hope you're fine and good. So friends, in this video, I am going to tell you some sentences Urdu to English that are very important for you. So please see the video to the end that you will understand the sentences. So you will be also like, subscribe and share my video also. Okay, so let's continue. Number 1 sentence is Phool mat toro. Phool mat toro. Don't pluck the flower. Don't pluck the flower. मैंने उसे फोन किया. मैंने उसे फोन किया. I rang him up. अपनी आदतें दुरुस्त करो. अपनी आदतें दुरुस्त करो. Mend your ways. Mend your ways. अपनी आदतें दुरुस्त करो. Mend your ways. मुझे उस पर पूरा एतमाद है. मुझे उस पर पूरा एतमाद है. I have full faith in him. I have full faith in him. आसमान पर बादल छाए हुए हैं. आसमान पर बादल छाए हुए हैं. The sky is overcast. The sky is overcast. ये मेरी खुशी की बात है. ये मेरी खुशी की बात है. It's my pleasure. It's my pleasure. आपकी दावत का शुक्रिया. आपकी दावत का शुक्रिया. Thanks for your invitation. Thanks for your invitation. मैं आपकी शुक्रगुजार रहूंगी. मैं आपकी शुक्रगुजार रहूंगी. I am very grateful to you. आओ बस से चले. आओ बस से चले. Let's go by bus. इसमें हम जो मर्जी ऐड करते हैं. Anybody, everything that we added. आओ गाड़ी से चलते हैं. Let's go by a car. Okay, next one is इसके जिम्मेदार तुम हो. इसके जिम्मेदार तुम हो. You are the responsible for this. Okay, ये मेरा कसूर नहीं है. ये मेरा कसूर नहीं है. It's not my fault. It's not my fault. Okay, so friends, these are the sentences. I hope you like them and understand that I will tell you that I have tell you. So friends, did you like it? Like, subscribe and share. And thanks for watching. Bye.